Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Save any open work and close non-essential apps to avoid conflicts. Open Blender and go to Edit Preferences. This exposes the settings you'll reset. Make a quick list of installed add-ons and your current startup file path so you can restore anything critical later. Once done, locate the Save and Load and File Paths sections. These show what will revert. This first step ensures you can undo the reset if needed, so take a minute now. You'll now perform the core reset. In the top menu, choose File Defaults, load factory settings to revert Blender to its defaults. This clears UI themes, keymaps, and preferences. The why is simple, corrupted, or unwanted configs often live here. If you use custom keymaps or themes, export them first, otherwise they'll be lost. After loading factory settings, test a basic action like creating a cube and rendering to confirm core functionality. Make sure to proceed only when you're ready to restore or lose custom tweaks. Finish by saving the clean state. Choose File Default Save Startup File so Blender uses the reset configuration at launch. If you exported add-ons or settings, reinstall only the ones you trust. If something still fails, open Window Toggle System Console to view errors and verify that the config folder, usually in your user profile, was recreated. One key tip: if Blender won't start after reset, rename the config folder to force a fresh rebuild. This often fixes stubborn corruption without reinstalling the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.